Good afternoon, children. Now, this is our sixth chapter, staffing in management. So, you all know the meaning of staffing, because when an organization makes plans and then organize all the necessary resources to start their work, then they need personnel, persons to do the business activities and achieve the organizational goal. So here is the meaning of staffing. Staffing is putting people to jobs. Putting people to jobs according to their education, qualification and skills. It begins with the workforce planning and includes different other functions like recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion, compensation and performance appraisals of workforce. Recruitment means selecting, means appointing the employees. Then selection according to their qualification or the need of the job. Then training, they have to take training for the activities. Then development, after recruitment, selection and training, they can develop their skills. Then if they become very skillful workers, they can get promotions in their business or in their office. Then compensation, they can get compensation for any loss during the business activities. And performance appraisal of workforce. Performance appraisal means according to the duties performed by the employees, then employer can make appraisals, means they can increase their salaries, or employer can give some other benefits to their employees also. So these comes under the performance appraisal of workforce. In other words, staffing is that part of the process of management which is concerned with obtaining, utilizing and maintaining a satisfactory and satisfied workforce. Satisfactory means workers can satisfy the employer through their work, and they are satisfied in the sense that employer give them good salaries, timely salaries and other benefits, medical facilities, house rent facilities also. Then the workers are also satisfied and they can work with full skill and efficiency. It is a managerial function of filling and keeping filled the positions of the organization structure. Filling and keeping filled means filling at the time of starting the organization, and keeping filled means if there is need of new employments. So in organization, management can through recruitment they can select more employees also. Now, what is the need of staffing? Staffing provides the human element or instinct while selecting a person. Attitude, aptitude, commitment and loyalty are important qualities valued by the organization. It is considered to be a specialized area, and the body of knowledge available on the subject is vast. Then here is the importance of staffing. Staffing is the most fundamental and critical component of organizational performance. Without human resource, no work can be done. Who can use other resources? No one. Only humans have the ability to use the resources and put them in a new form, to make them in a new form. The staffing function has assumed greater importance because of rapid advancement of technology, increasing size of organizations and complex behavior of human beings. Complex behavior of human beings means the taste of today the taste of consumers are changes day by day. Each and every day new products are launching in the market due to changes in the taste and need of the consumers. Proper staffing ensures the following benefits to the organization. So these are the benefits. First is obtains competent personnel. Obtains competent personnel means selection करके, interview करके, written interview, oral interview के through, or by giving them some task at the time of interview. Organization in an organization, the top level management can obtain competent personals. They can get skilled and experienced workers. Then high performance comes from putting the right person to the right job. सही काम के लिए सही एम्प्लॉय को सिलेक्ट करना. It uses physical resources in the most optimal manner, leading to higher productivity, better efficiency, and improved performance. Then next is continuous survival and growth. For the continuous survival and growth of the organization, staffing is very necessary. If the staff is not proper, according to the proper number of employees are not engaged in doing activities in the business unit, then they can't achieve their goals, they can't achieve their objectives in the proper given limit of time. Optimal utilization of human resources. It helps to ensure optimal utilization of human resources by avoiding overmanning. It prevents underutilization of the personnel and higher labor cost. Overmanning means ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा एम्प्लॉयज़ को रखना भी कॉस्टली हो जाता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के लिए. सो ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज मीन्स जितना रिक्वायर्ड है उतने एम्प्लॉयज़ को अपनी कंपनी में वर्क करने देना, जॉब करने देना. Improves job satisfaction. Moral and job satisfaction of employees is improved through objective assessment and fair reward for their contribution. अगर एम्प्लॉयज़ स्किल्ड एम्प्लॉयज़, एक्सपीरियंस्ड एम्प्लॉयज़ हायर किए जाते हैं तो वो उनका मॉरल और उनका जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन भी इंक्रीज़ होता है एम्प्लॉयज़ का, क्योंकि उन्हें एक फ्री एनवायरनमेंट में जॉब करने को मिल रहा है जहाँ उन्हें रिवॉर्ड्स भी दिए जाते हैं.